welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome to this beautiful family. Do subscribe to the channel. So officially I can actually say that my birthday is next tomorrow. Like, yo, I can remember when I stated my age on this channel. I think I said I was 17 years. So we've come a long way on this channel. I want to say thank you for growing with me, because that's it. I'm a small child growing, you know. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. So any fun thing that's going to happen, I'm gonna let you know. But the thing is, I'm not planning anything. Like, that's the truth. Whatever happens, you guys will see it with me. As I'm seeing it, you're seeing it with me. This was just the hair I made to church. Okay, let me show you what the back is looking like. I was going to do a little photo shoot, small something, and I will carry you guys along. Yeah,
a few moments later.
So guys, this was what I came up with. I just wanted something messy, nothing serious. Like, if it could be more messy than this, I would appreciate. I'll show you in a bit though. I will be going off to do my makeup right now, and then I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Wow! So guys, this is the finished look. Yeah, I really tried to keep it natural. I had to do like a nude lip. I think the only extra thing is the lens, but every other thing is cute and simple. Like, I also drew like a blue heart right here on my face to match the eye. That was the vibe I was on, so you guys should just flow with me, you know. So I don't know, do you like this look? I believe I will just show you some Snapchat videos I did. I'm grateful for 19. 20 is a new chapter. Yeah, I really pray God helps me to work smart and to work hard if necessary, you know, to be more consistent, to push out more content, for more amazing ideas. So that's it for today. So on Monday I didn't really do much. I just cornrowed my hair, but then one of my female friends got me this gift. I love it so much. She got me a perfume and then a necklace. I'm so grateful for this. Like, it was like a pre-birthday kind of gift. And this was the day. I was just vibing. I was vibing up and down. I was just so excited. So I had to do this tip kind of nails, so I'll look put together. So I don't want to talk too much today. I just want to thank God for life. I want to thank God for life. And as I said, and I didn't plan anything. Like, the only plan I know I did was to sleep and wake up this morning. Whatever happens, you guys would see it as well. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to go ahead with my day. So I started the day and I got a surprise cake. I was never expecting a cake. Like, I was like, okay, I don't know how this day would go, but I received a surprise cake. The big one was from somebody really special to me, and then the other is from my childhood friend from church. So hey guys, I'm back. So I don't think I'm going to wear this out. I just use this to, you know what they use it for? Yeah, I can't remember. So I'm going to be putting on my necklace, my gift. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, so far it's been going well. You saw the cake, Abby? That cake was a surprise. I never expected that, but it's there. So let's see. Ooh. I'm supporting you here, Jerry. At this point, I was basically just feeling the hair, trying to feel myself, you know, trying to like get in the vibe before the next thing. Yeah, so I was just feeling the hair. And after that, I tried to like take pictures with the cake, you know, for my thumbnail or whatever I'm going to use the picture for.
We already agreed, you know. Thank you. Let me pray for you now. Before you walk ahead of me.
So after the small talks here and there, my friend decided to take me out that day. Yeah, she told me before the day. I was like, okay, no problem. So she decided to take me to this place called Roots. It's like a restaurant, but I think it's like a fancy restaurant where they sell homemade food and things like that. They sell different things, different kinds of meal. They gave us this paper stuff to check for what we want, and afterwards we made, you know, a little video. This video was not so long, but I really hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Do subscribe to my channel, and I hope we go on this new journey together. Cheers to more birthday celebrations. Bye, see you in my next video.